Okay, so this is the Volkswagen Passat 2005 B5 generation. There's like this safety compartment or like CD changer holder on the left side. There's like a little door. I just need to pop it off on the hinges. Anyways, I was changing my turn signal, which is back here, and it's tight and annoying to get to. So I was like, all right. Anyways, I dropped the bulb down into the thing. There's like an abyss down here. Dropped it down there. It's down there somewhere. I can't reach it. So I'm gonna take this out. To take out this piece of plastic, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 Torx screws, plus one Phillips head back here. There's a Phillips head back there. There's a Phillips head. Stupid, where, like, this is in here so secure, it's just ridiculous. There's 2 up here. There's 2 up there. 1, 2. And then behind the carpet, which you're gonna wanna pull out, so right here, take off the little twisty knob. Pull off the carpet. There's 2 more. 1, 2, and I think I'll finally be able to get this piece of shit out. I don't use this, so I'm just gonna keep it out. And then hopefully get my bulb and just change the turn signal, because it's pretty bad. So that's how you take off this storage compartment. Holy cow. Finally got that fucking thing out. This thing really I don't need in the car, you know, I'm not using it. This brownish tube goes into the water. It's a water tube, so that expels water from right up, you know, probably where the hatch is. I got my bulb, it was all the way down there, so I'm keeping this fucking thing out. You could see this is the 05 GLS, so it's like the higher end one, but it has this thing. This is it's just a plug, so that would just plug, looks like, right into a CD changer. If I had one like here, I can install it into that box, but I don't. And yeah, fuck it, I'm just gonna leave this like that. I could even put this door back over this and kind of cover it up. But now I could get to the brake light, reverse light, turn signal right there easily. So if you have a car, Passat or Jetta like this, take that shit out maybe. It's easier. If you lose a bulb, do it. It clips right out of there. Okay, so it's gonna go right in like this. So you're gonna pop that off. There's a clip there. There, you just squeeze and pull, there's 4. Once you get that off, all you gotta do is push and turn. So I'm gonna change my turn signal, so I'm gonna push it, turn it, and then pull out. Always pull out. That's all you gotta do to change the bulbs. Pop it right back in, you're good to go. 7557, I believe. I'll put it in the description. Okay, I'll put in the description of the turn signal, the orange one and the 2 clear ones, because they're not the same. Once you put the new bulb in, go hit your hazards and make sure that the connection is good. This one's fine. This one's looking a little dark up there. Probably gonna have to replace that soon. It might burst. Not burst, but the filament inside. So, yeah. This is the old one. You could see the paint was coming off of it, so it was looking like clearish orange. It was just looking shitty, so I decided to change it. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the hazards. Peace.